somebody ought to tell me. Ladies and gentlemen, the Merry Widow Waltz has long been an international favorite. Alvino Rey has a very fine... yes, don't say it, I know. Merry Widow Waltz will take its place now in Never Never Land, along with Blow Gabriel Blow, The Man I Love, Oh Lola Bianca, Thy Lips is Crimson Berries, and I don't know, what is coming next? A flute solo or something?
No, Harry, at this time it's my pleasure to introduce our guest, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Hawthorne.
Hawthorne. Wait, just a minute. I wanted to say something to you now.
Yeah, but look, Harry, I am supposed to be on the show. I have a paper signed by H.J. Caruso. You know who he is?
Yeah, he's the greatest.
Yes, he is the greatest.
Yeah, but Harry, look, here's what I want to do.
No. Your mouth is open. Look, no, what I wanted to say, Hank, Hawth, is that now well, I'm confused tonight. If you were to announce The Man I Love and out comes Banjo Eyes or something, you would get confused. Yeah. The thing that bothers me, Hawth, you've been on the show several times.
Yes, Harry.
And it seems that every time you start out to do something real nice and you manage to get all messed up in it.
Yeah, but Harry...
Please, I'm talking. Now, what I wanted to suggest was this. If you could let me know what it is you would like to do tonight, perhaps I can help you and you won't get mixed up.
Well,
What did you plan to do?
You know, the do-it-yourself is going right now. What is the most important room in the breakfast nook? I'll tell you. It's the room. I mean, the home.
The home?
Yes. No, in the home. Well, now, breakfast nooks get all spattered with grease, and they're torn, and the kids are marking them up with crayons and stuff. Tonight, I want to show you how to paper a breakfast nook.
How to paper a breakfast nook?
Yes.
Well, now, you wouldn't believe this, Hawth, but that's right on my scaffold. I know all about wallpapering. I tell you what, so that you can't get mixed up. You go on over to the breakfast nook. I'll stand here, tell you exactly what to do, and you do what I tell you, and it can't fail. Now, first of all, Hawthorne, let's see, you have everything there. We should measure the wall to find out what lengths to cut the wallpaper. So you go ahead and measure. Look out! Don't... Can't seem to get it right. Just 3 feet? Now, you know that's wrong, Hawthorne. It can't be right. Just go ahead, measure it in your own way. Now, you need that much paper. Well, that's one way of doing it. All right, now we'll get the paper. Wait a minute. No, Hawthorne, please. Look, wait a minute. We don't tear the paper, Hawthorne. Don't you have some scissors? You'll have to get the scissors and cut it straight. Cut it straight across so it'll fit square on the ceiling. That's it. Hawth, we're getting a little carried away, aren't we? Yeah. Now just place the wallpaper there on the work table. That's it. Roll it out so that you can see what you do. Roll it. Is the water cooler in your way there? Well, move it. Move it over so that you won't be bothered with it. Watch it. Put it back. Put it back. Just leave the water cooler there and try to get the paper rolled out on the table so we can work it. Put a weight on one end so that it won't roll up. Don't put a heavy weight there. You're going to walk. It's bent. Get it all put back together the best you can. That's right. I don't know how I get into this. Can you get the paper back down now? Are you... That's a nice, neat-looking mess of wallpaper, I'll say. Well, just make it the best. Now let's mix the emulsion, shall we? The emulsion, the paste. Mix the paste, Hawthorne. That's the ticket. Be sure you mix it to the right texture. Hawth, what are you doing, Hawthorne? Listen, Hawthorne. Listen, Duncan Hines. The paste is for the paper. Put the paste on the paper. No, you don't need... You don't need all that paste. There's a towel over there. You better clean yourself off. You're making a... What is that? Oh. Somebody's been cleaning the stove with that towel. Never mind, Hawthorne. Never mind. You've got the paste on the paper. All right, now the paper goes on the wall. Take the paper and put it on the wall. With the paste? Well, you'll need the paste to put the paper on the wall. Well, have it your own way, but get the paper on the wall. That's lovely. That is lovely. And wait a minute. You don't tack the wallpaper on the wall. Hawthorne, no! It serves you right. You do not tack the wallpaper on. You're supposed to paste it on. Put the hammer down. Now use the paste. Put the paper on. Now you do... Hawthorne, you're making a mess of this thing. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, this I'd give up. This is not the way I would... Hawthorne, you've knocked down the plaster. I give up. He is a hard man to deal with, that Hawthorne. Ladies and gentlemen. We'll have the cleaning crew in and everything will be all right by morning. Now, if I've got the right information here, our next... look, why don't you just guess what's going to come next? Because I've...
Harry, why don't you...